Hey there guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the Test Manager tab in Orchestrator. So first thing to do is to open UiPath Cloud, then go to the top menu on the left and then go to Admin. So first thing to check is to make sure that you have the proper license. So to do that, just go click on the license and then let's check if our user has or not that default testing license, which is right here. So that has been good. If not, all you have to do is click on the edit licenses and then choose how many licenses you want to allocate and to which user, of course. Now, once that is done, we have to do is click on the project's name, and in project's name again we do have the license just to check if whether or not we have the license allocated to this project. Once that has been checked, you open the services, and then let's see the different services that we've got. And in this section here, you'll see that the test manager is being disabled. So all you have to do is click on the three dots and then enable it. Once that is done, now we will have the test manager as an option in a tab in the orchestrator.